All right, guys, this is chaotic. You're going blue line up 1, 2, 3, 4. You're coming down 2. You're going up 2. You're going down 3. You're going up 4. Chaos. Okay? So, one, when you see this happening, you need to know this is very difficult to trade, right? You're not seeing consistent movement. We're above the blue, so we want to stay. Max bullish, follow this. But it's chaos. So we keep that bull bias, and the one thing we're looking for is whatever strike, held. And it looks to be +1. That's 541 on SPY. And on Q, this candle was actually a little bit lower, almost close to 459. And it's looking like +1 as well. So because we're only sitting here at +3, you've got to be thinking like, hey, blue line to +1, that's where I want to try going long again. Trump speaking right now, obviously that brings a certain level of chaos. Who knows what he'll say about China, his favorite thing in the entire world. Need to get the icon. Really loving gold. Bulls coming in. Volume going down. This could be interesting. But again, you're here, right? You're -1. You were -3. It's like, hey, you want to try it here. 302. Or as close to 302 as possible before going long once again. Now, it could work. Remember, this options data is brand new, right? It's brand new. But that worked really well here. If you were able to take it below the strike, you're not getting any bears coming in. Close to 302 as possible, but a little bit below 303. That could work. Check IWM. Wow, IWM's like already doing a blue line test. You're just interested in what happens right here, which is essentially, 193. We opened up super high. Anything can happen. If we go back to the blue and don't pump, man, they would love to pull off a nuke today. Ultimately, what you're looking for, bulls down here. If this 541 holds again, when we look at the flow, it's very bearish, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 1 bull. The win rate, probably pretty good on these. Yeah, it's not bad. Late here, 1 strike up. Not a bad trade. The interesting thing right here is this area down here. What will happen down here? That's really it. It's been a fun morning. It's been a relatively easy morning if you can stick to trading at the strikes. Right? It's like, this is late. Okay. I see all these bulls here. If you take it below the strike, when we don't nuke, okay, goes up, comes close to the blue line, doesn't touch it. Okay, get out. And this here, it just said like, hey, 302. This is late. You're a whole strike higher. Try and get it down here if you want. We might just be in a little bit of an F zone for the next hour or so, but we'll see. Shaping up to be another epic session.